Welcome to T1 Academy. In our last videos, we discussed about the dice and coins. In this video, we are going to discuss about the playing cards. Playing cards. In the playing cards, we know we will have different types of shapes. So first of all, before solving the problems from these playing cards, we should know how the cards are divided and we should know that things priorly. Why? Because in examination, they are not going to mention us what are the cards and how many types of spades we will have, clubs we will have, like that they will never mention. We should know it priorly. So when it comes to the playing cards, total in a pack of cards, we will have 52 cards. We will have 52 cards in total. 52 cards in total. Out of these 52 cards, 26 will be red in color and 26 will be black in color. 26 cards will be red in color and 26 will be black in color. Now when it comes to this red colored one, we will have hearts and diamonds. We will have hearts and diamonds. Okay. We will have heart shaped one and the diamond shaped one. When it comes to these black colored cards, we will have spades and clubs. We will have spades and clubs, right? Spade means it looks like a spade and club means it looks like a tree, right? Like this we will have that one. Now in this we will have 13 hearts and 13 diamonds, 13 spades and 13 clubs. 13 spades and 13 clubs. This is the composition. Now when it comes to the individual 13 cards, individual 13 cards means we will have first ace. Ace. We will have a ace card. Ace card means that letter which we will have is A on it. And next we will have numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We will have these number cards. These number cards. And next we will have along with this Jack, Queen and King. Jack, Queen and King. Now please see this one. This is 1 in number. These are 9 and these are 3. Overall we will have 13 cards. The same number of cards will be there in each and every shape. So the same composition will be there in diamonds, same composition will be there in spades and the same composition will be there in clubs. Same composition will be there in clubs. So out of 52, 26 are red in color, 26 are black in color. Next in that red also divided into two categories, 13 each. One is hearts and the other one is diamonds, and when it comes to this one we will have spades and clubs and same thing, and the same number of cards will be there in each and every composition. Each and every composition for us. Now next along with this we have different names for these cards, students. Sir, what are those names and how we will observe means, see here we will have different names like faced cards, faceted cards or else face cards. Faceted cards are face cards which will have a face. See in our playing cards, which cards will have some face, right? Jack, King and Queen will have a face shaped one, right? So those are called faceted cards. These are called faceted cards. Face cards. It will have some face for us. It will have some face. So face cards will be how many in number? 3. Face cards will be how many in number? 3. Next we will have honor cards. Honor cards. In the honor cards, along with these face cards, one more card will be added, that is ace. Ace, King, Queen and Jack. So total how many honor cards we will have means we will have 4 honor cards. 4 honor cards. And the remaining are ordinary or number cards, or digit cards, whatever it may be. They will use different words. So this will be in how many number? 2 to 10. 2 to 10. We will have this in 9 in number. This will have this in 9 in number. Now please observe here, students. Faceted cards means we will have 3 in number. Honor cards means we will have 4 in number. And when it comes to ordinary cards, we will have 9 in number. That means now from this knowledge, tell me in a pack of cards, how many faceted cards will we have? How many faceted cards will we have? For one set, one set in the sense, one group, 13 as a set I will call. So 3, right? So like this we will have 4, right? So 3 into 4, we will have 12 face cards. We will have 12 face cards. In a pack of cards, we will have 12 face cards. Okay. Now, when it comes to honor cards, in a pack of cards, how many we will have? For one set, we will have 4. Like this, we will have 4 sets, right? So, 4 into 4, 16 honor cards we will have. And when it comes to the ordinary cards, ordinary, from total you can subtract total minus 16, total 52 minus 16, that is one method. Or else in one set how many ordinary cards we will have? 9. So 9 into 4. It becomes how many? 36 in number. So we will have 36 ordinary cards in a pack of cards. Understood? Like this, we will have different types of cards, and this terminology is also very important. Why? Because in questions they will use this terminology a lot. Face cards, honor cards, or ordinary cards. Okay. Sometimes in case of honor cards, they will also use the word respected cards. Okay. These are the terminologies which we should know before solving the questions. Why? Because in nowhere in the question they will give us all this composition. They will simply say that from a pack of cards, a card is drawn. What is the probability to get a red king? That's it. These are the things which they will ask. Nothing more than that. Okay, understood? Right? Now we will see the next case. Actually, we will solve the questions. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting the different casts. See, from a well shuffled deck of cards, I am taking one card. First of all, tell me what is the total number of chances. Forget about the decide. What is the total number of chances for me? From 52 cards, I need to pick any one. So 52 C1, right? So the total chances are for me is how many here? 52. From 52 cards, I am choosing one. So 52 C1. Okay. Now come to the cases. My first one is it should be a queen. Total how many queens will we have in a pack of cards? 4 queen cards, right? Without any conditions. We will have one spade queen, one club queen, one diamond, one heart. So total we will have 4 queens. And what is the total number of, what is the maximum total chances for me? 52. So 4 by 52. That will become what here, students? 1 by 13. The probability to get a queen card is 1 by 13. 1 by 13. Next, a diamond. Total how many diamond shaped cards will we have in a pack of cards? 13, right? 13 diamond shaped cards. So 13 by total is chances are 52. So 13 by 52. Here my probability will become what? 1 by 4. Here my probability will become what? 1 by 4. Next, a king or a ace. Total how many kings will we have in a pack of cards? 4. How many ace cards will we have in a pack of cards? 4. Kings are also 4 in number, ace. So overall my required one is how many in number now? 8. So 8 by 52. So it will become what? In 4 table, 4 2s, 4 13s. So my probability here will become 2 by 13. Probability here will become 2 by 13. Next one, a red ace. A red colored ace. Total aces are how many in number? 4 in number. What? One heart shaped ace, one diamond shaped ace, one spade shaped one, and the other one is club shaped one. In that they are asking specifically about red ace. Ace should be in red in color. How many aces will be red in color? 2 aces. One is heart and the other one is a diamond. So 2. And the total number of chances are how many for me? 52. It remains constant, right? There will be no change in that. So 2 by 52, it will become 1 by 26. So the probability here will become what? 1 by 26. Probability here becomes 1 by 26. Understood, students? So these are the probabilities. Slowly we will go to the different types of problems. Next one. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is. See, only one card. So 52 C1. So total chances will become what for me? 52 as usual. Now, a card of spade or a ace. Spade or a ace. Spades will be how many in number? 13, sir. Okay, good. Aces will be how many in number? 4, sir. 13 plus 4. So it will become 17 by 52. Is it correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? 13 plus 4, that is 17. So 17 by 52. Is the answer correct? No. Why, sir? What is the reason? See here, students. In the previous set of examples, all which where I have taken, is there any common things between them? No. So directly I have added them and I have substituted them. But please observe here, it should be a spade or an ace. Is there any common between spade and ace? Yes, sir. there is one ace which will be spade. Okay, ace will be in spade shaped one. So that means what will happen? So minus that 1. Minus that 1. Why? Because that 1 is common. We will have one common ace and spade. So we all know it. We will have one formula, right? A union B. Did you remember this one? What you will write? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. More or less the same logic. We will apply the same logic here. Number of A's, spades, number of A's minus common. Number of A's and spades common. We will have one A's which will be spade shaped one. So that is the reason minus 1. Minus 1. So overall it will become what? Now 16. So probability will become what for me here? 16 by 52. So 16, 4 4s are 4 13s are. So 4 by 13 will be the probability here. Please be careful, students. Whenever you check these type of cases, check is there any common things or not. If there are any common things, simply subtract them. That's it. No need to do too much things here. Just simply subtract them for once. Next one, a red colored king. A red colored king. So how many kings do we have? Actually, we will have 4 kings in a pack of cards. Not only kings, all the cards will be 4 in number. That means 2 will be 4, 3s will be 4, 4s will be 4, 5s will be 4, like this. Each and every shape and every card will be 4 times in number. Okay. Now similarly, kings also will be 4 in number. But he is specially mentioning that a red king. My king should be in of a red colored one. So what happens to that one now? Red king. What happens to the red king now? We will have 2 will be in number. So 2 by 52. So 1 by 26. 1 by 26 will be the probability for me here. Next, either a king or a queen. Either a king or a queen. So king and queen, is there any common between them? No, sir. They are completely different. How many kings do we have in a pack of cards? 4. How many queens will we have? 4. Is there any common king and queen? No, definitely no. So 4 plus 4 by 52. So it will become what? 8 by 52. 4 2s are 4, 13s are. So here the probability will become what? 2 by 13. Probability will become what? 2 by 13. Next, see here, neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. So instead of finding that, what I can do? Negation. This is nothing but it should not be a king or it should not be a queen. That means can I write it as 1 minus king or queen? This is simple for me, right? 1 minus king or queen. 1 minus king or queen. Instead of finding neither a king or nor a queen, I am doing it in the negation manner. 1 minus king or queen. So now 1 minus, what is the probability to have a king or queen? Just now we solved. What it is? 2 by 13. 2 by 13. 1 minus 2 by 13. So this will become what? 11 by 13. So the probability here will become what? 11 by 13. So sometimes we find it directly, sometimes in using the negation method. Okay. Anyway, we will get the same answer. Next one. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing an ace. So one card means 52 C1. So 52 chances. An ace, how many aces we have? 4. So the probability will become what for me here? 4 by 52. That is 1 by 13. Okay, good. A 4 of spades. A 4 of spades. Now it means I should draw the 4 number card and it should be a spade. So how many 4s will we have? 4 4s. One will be heart, one will be diamond, one will be spade and the other one will be club. But I should draw a spade one. So only one is possible for me. So 1 by 52. Probability will become what? 1 by 52. Next, a 9 of a black suit. So which cards will be of black suit? Spades and clubs, right? So how many 9s will I have? I will have a 9 spade and I will have a 9 club. So 2 by 52. It will become what for me here? 1 by 26. 1 by 26. Next, a red king. A red colored king. How many red colored kings will you have? 2. So as usual 2 by 52. This also becomes what for me here? 1 by 26. 1 by 26. Okay, right? The next one. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52. Find the probability that the card drawn is neither red nor a queen. Just now we have seen the same thing. So instead of finding it directly, we will find it negation. So 1 minus a red or queen. 1 minus red or queen. So first of all, I will find the probability of red or queen. So total, now tell me what is the probability to have a red or queen? Red colored cards are how many in number? Yes sir, total 26 cards will be red in color. Plus, how many queens cards I will have? 4. Okay. But is there any common between red and queen? Yes, we have 2 red queens. So that is the reason minus 2. So overall it will become how much? 28. 28. So what is its probability? Tell me. 28 by 52. 28 by 52. So 4 7s are 4 13s are. This will become what? 7 by 13. This will become what? 7 by 13. Now my required answer becomes what? 1 minus 7 by 13, which will become what? 6 by 13, which becomes what for me here? 6 by 13. The probability of neither a red card or nor a queen is what? 6 by 13. 6 by 13. So 1 minus, or else you can do it in another manner also. Neither red means what? It should be a black and not a queen. Then you should remove the queens from the black. So total how many black are there for actually for us? 26. In that queens will be how many? 2 in number. So 26 minus 2, 24. So 24 by 52. That also will give us the same answer, 6 by 13. Okay, understood? You can write like that or this one, but my suggestion is please try to think this one. Okay, next one. See here, a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that card drawn is neither a queen nor a jack. Neither a queen nor a jack. So see here students, 1 minus a queen or jack. 1 minus a queen or jack. Probability to get a queen or jack. So first of all, we will find what is the probability to get a queen or jack. Total how many queens will we have in a pack of cards? 4. How many jacks we will have? 4. So 4 plus 4 by total chances are how many? 52. So this becomes what for us? 8 by 52. 8 by 52. So 4 2s are 4 13s are. 4 2s are 4 13s are. So what will be my answer for me? The required answer probability will become 1 minus 2 by 13. This will become what for us? 11 by 13. 11 by 13. 11 by 13. Why? Because here queen and jack are completely different ones. So no need to think too much. Directly you can write 4 plus 4. That is how we will find the answer for this one. Next one. Now see here, the king, the queen and the jack. Please observe the king, the queen, the jack and 10. All of spades are lost from a pack of 52 cards. Okay. King, queen, the jack, 10 and all of spades are lost from a pack of cards. A card is drawn from the remaining well shuffled pack of cards. The probability of getting a red card is. The probability of getting a red card is. Now see here students. King, queen, jack and 10 and all of spades. Total how many kings will we have? Total how many kings we will have? 4. How many queens we will have? 4. How many jacks will we have? 4. And 10 number cards. So how many they will be? 4 in number. They will be 4 in number. Plus and all spades. Actually spades will be how many in number? 13 in number. 13 in number. But what is happening here? Already one king, queen, jack and 10 are there here and here, right? They will be of spade shape. So I will write here just 9. I will write here just 9. Instead of 13, I am writing 9. Why? Because one king, one queen, one jack and one 10 numbered one is already deleted. So now what happens? Overall, how many are removed? 16 plus 9, 25. 25 cards are taken out. Out of 52 cards, 25 cards are taken out. Now tell me how many cards are left for me? 52 minus 25. That is equal to what? 27 cards. So now I was left with just 27 cards. 27 cards. Now in that cards, they are asking us what is the probability to get a red colored card. What is the probability to get? Now please tell me in this 27 cards, how many will be red in color? How many will be red in color? Total 26 will be red. Right? 26 will be red in color. But I will have 2 kings, 2 queens, 2 jacks and 2 tens, right? So overall how many are removed here for me? 8. 8 are removed for me here. So that means now I was left with just how many? 18 red colored cards. Just 18 red colored cards. So therefore, probability will become what for me here? 18 by 27. 18 by 27. So this will become what? 2 by 3. So the probability now it becomes what? 2 by 3. So the probability for this one is 2 by 3. To get a red colored card is 2 by 3. Next, a king. Already all the kings are removed. So what will be my probability here? 0. Just 0. Next, the black card. A black card. So see here, just now we calculated out of 26, 18 are, out of 27, 18 are red colored cards. Then what about the remaining 9? The remaining 9 will be black in color. So the probability will become what? 9 by 27. 9 by 27. So this probability will become what? 1 by 3. This probability will become what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. For your understanding, students, you can take all the king, queen, jack and 10 cards are removed. Okay, understood? Next one. Red kings. Now observe carefully. Red kings, queens and jacks. Red kings, queens and jacks are removed from the deck of 52 cards. So how many will be there? Red kings will be 2 in number. Red queens will be 2 in number. Red jacks will be 2 in number. So total 6 are removed. So now 52 minus 6. I will be left with what? 42 cards. And then shuffled. Now I have just 46 cards and these 46 cards are shuffled. A card is drawn from the remaining cards. Find the probability of getting a king. Now I should get a king. So total how many kings will we have? 4. Total 4. Already red kings, that means 2 kings are removed, right? Now I will be left with more how many kings? Only 2. So the probability will become what? 2 by 46. So this will become 1 by 23. So this becomes 1 by 23. Next, a red card. A red card. Now see here, out of total red cards are how many in number? 26. In that 6 cards are removed, right? Now I will be left with what? 20. So, and the total number of cards now left for me is 46. So 20 by 46. It becomes what, students? 10 by 23. So the probability here will become 10 by 23. Next, a spade. A spade. So did we remove the spades? No. Why? Because the spade will be of black in color. Spade will be of black in color. So how many spades will be there for me? 13. All the 13 are available by 46. So 13 by 46 will be my answer here. 13 by 46 will be the probability to get a spade here. Next one. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. Find the probability of drawing a face card. Face card. Already I told you face cards means what, students? Face cards means jack, king, queen. So total in a pack of cards, how many face cards will we have? 3 into 4, 12. So the probability will become what? 12 by 52. So it will become 4 3s are 4 13s are. The probability here becomes 3 by 13. The probability here becomes 3 by 13. Next, a card which is neither a king nor a red card. Neither a king nor a red card. Same, reverse. We will find it in the negation manner. That means 1 minus king or red. 1 minus king or red. So first of all, please find out the probability of king or red. King or red. So to get a king, how many chances? 4. To get a red colored card, 26. But there is a combination of king and red, right? How many kings are red in color? 2. So minus 2. By total number of chances are how many? 52. So now what happens to this? 28 by 52. This will become 7 by 13. So my required probability will become what? 1 minus 7 by 13, which is equal to 6 by 13, which is equal to 6 by 13. Understood? Right? Next one. Now from a deck of 52 cards, 2 cards are drawn. What is the probability that it has 2 jacks, no face card? Now we are drawing how many cards? 2 cards. Now we are drawing 2 cards. So from a pack of 52 cards, if you draw 2 cards, what it becomes? 52C2. So total will become what? Always for me here 52C2. Why? Because I am drawing 2 cards here. Next, that 2 cards should be what? 2 jacks. Overall, how many jacks are available for me? Overall, how many jacks are available for me? 4. 4 jacks, right? So in that, I should take out 2. So that means what? 4C2 by, see, in an earlier case, all those are single cards. So easily we have added and we have written. Now out of those 4 jacks, I should remove 2 jacks by 52 C2. 4C2 by 52 C2. Okay, so what happens to this one? 4 into 3 by 52 into 51. I can write it directly, right? Why? Because in denominators here you will get 1 into 2. Here also you will get 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 will get cancelled anyway. So now solve it. What you will get? 4 ones, 4 13s. 3 ones, 3 17s. So your answer here becomes 1 by 13 into 17. 1 by 13 into 17. 1 by 13 into 17. Solve it, you will get the answer. Next, no face card. No face card. Overall in a pack of cards, how many are normal cards? Tell me. If I remove the face cards, 4 aces will we have? Yes, sir. And 9 numbered cards. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus this 4, 10. Like that also you can do. Out of 52 cards, no face cards. Face cards will be how many number? 12 in number. So 52 minus 7, it will become what? 40. So what it becomes? 40 C2 by 52 C2. Here also the same thing. 40 into 39 by 52 into 51. 52 into 51. Next 4 10s are 4 13s are 13 ones 13 3s, 3 ones 3 17s. Right? So here my probability will become what? 10 by 17. The probability here becomes what? 10 by 17. 10 by 17. Next, what is the probability of not getting a ordinary card? Of no ordinary card. Okay. No ordinary card. Ordinary card means what, students? Earlier also I discussed the same thing. Ordinary means our number cards are ordinary cards. Number cards are how many in number? 36. Or else the honor cards are how many in number? 16. So from that 16 I should pick 2. So 16 C2 by 52 C2. 52 C2. So what happens to this now? 16 into 15 by 52 into 51. 52 into 51. So now 4 4s are 4 13s are 3 5s are 3 17s are. So this will become what? 20 by 13 into 17. 20 by 13 into 17. That will be the answer. Next, exactly one king. Exactly one king. That means one should be king and the other one can be any card. So that means what? One king. Total how many kings will we have, students? Total how many kings will we have? 4 kings. So 4C1 into, what about the other cards? How other cards are, if I remove one king, 4 kings. What about the other cards? 48, right? From that 48, I should pick 1. So 4C1 into 48C1 by 52C2. 52C2. One should be king and the other one is other. Other cards are how many in number? 48 in number. So 4C1 into 48C1 by 52C2. 52C2. Next, one ace and one king card. One ace and one king card. The same thing. One ace. How many aces will we have? 4. From that 4 aces, I need to pick 1 into how many king cards I will have? 4. So from that 4, I need to pick 1. So 4C1 into 4C1 by 52C2. 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 Understood, students? This is how we are going to write the different compositions while solving the problems. Next. From a deck of 3 cards. Now we are drawing 3 cards. The same logic. 3 queens. Total how many queens will we have in a pack of cards? 4. So from that 4, I should pick 3. So 4C3 by 52C3. 52C3. 4C3 by 52C3. So what happens? 4C3 is 1, we know. So 4C3 is 4 by that value. Please do it. You will get the answer. Okay. Next, no ace. Total cards are how many in number? 52. In that ace will be 4 in number. No ace means if I remove 4 aces, more how many cards will I be left here? 48, right? So from that 48 cards, I should pick 3 by 52C3. 48C3 by 52C3. See, students, these are just for practice. That is the reason I am not solving them completely. You know how to solve them. Next, one king, one queen and one jack. Okay, one king. So 4C1 into one queen. 4C1 into one jack. 4C1 by 52C3. 52C3. Okay, next, one king and two queens. One king means what? 4C1 into two queens means 4C2 by 52C3. By 52C3. Right? That is correct. Next, two ordinary cards and one red honor card. to ordinary cards. Ordinary cards are how many in number? 36. Yes, sir. So 36 C2 into 1 red honored cards. Honored cards are overall how many in number? 16. 16. In that 8 will be red in color, 8 will be black in color. So I want red honored cards. So 8C1 by 52C3. Understood? This is how we are going to solve all the problems based on these cards, students. So you should know what is face cards, what is honor cards, what is ordinary cards, and all these things. Then easily you can solve the problems. Okay, if not, it becomes difficult, students. That's it. These are the questions from based on the cards. In our next video, we will see questions based on balls and other things. Thank you. Thank you very much.